Stay Gurubhyo Namaga children. Today we are going to learn perimeter and area exercise 16.6. First question. Find the area of the shaded region given that outer radius and inner radius is given. Okay. See here, this is center of the circle. This is outer radius. Outer radius is 19 centimeter and inner radius. This is inner radius is 12 centimeter. Okay. So what are the things are given here? Outer radius and inner radius is given. We need to find out area of the shaded region. Okay. Here two circles are there. One is smaller, another one is large. Okay. Outer circle, this is inner circle. Okay. So area of the shaded, this area. Okay. This area I want to find. How do you find? So area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle, I will get this part, this shaded region. Okay. So how I am going to find area of the shaded region equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay. So area of a circle, what is the formula children? Area of a circle equal to pi r square unit. Okay. Here pi value is given. Pi equal to 22/7 is given in the question. Okay. So area of the shaded region equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay. So here the outer radius is represent capital R, in inner radius is represent small r. Okay. So pi capital R square minus pi into small r square. Because area of a circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. Okay. So in this pi is common, just take it out. What is remaining? R square minus r square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. So how can you write children? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. Just write like this. So pi into r plus r into r minus r. Now you substitute the value. Pi value 22/7 into capital R 19 plus small r 12 into 19 minus 12. So 22/7 into 2 plus 9, 11, 1 remaining 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 31 into 19 minus 12, you get 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what is remaining? See the numerator, 22 into 31. Okay. Now multiply this, 22 into 31. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 2, 8, 6. So 682 centimeter square. So area of the shaded region equal to 682 centimeters square. Is it clear, children? I repeat this. Here outer circle and inner circle is given. They are asking area of the shaded region. So what is the formula? Area of the shaded region equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay. So area of your circle, what is the formula, children? Pi r square square unit. Here outer radius I represent capital R, inner radius I represent small r. So pi r square minus pi r square. Okay, here pi is common, just take it out. What is remaining? R square minus r square. Okay, so here I am going to use the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So that I retain r plus r into r minus r. Okay, now substitute the value 19 plus 12, 19 minus 12. Okay, 19 plus 12, what you are getting? 31 into 19 minus 12, 7. Okay, to cancel the 7, what is remaining? 22 into 31. So, while multiplying, what you are getting, children? 682 centimeters square. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. See the next one. A circular pond of radius 6 meter is surrounded by a path 1 meter wide. Okay, around the outside the pond. Find the area of the path. Okay, so corrective 2 decimal places is given. Okay, so here we have a pond. Okay, in outside we have the wide is given. Here this is center. The circular pond, radius of the circular pond is 6 meter and this wide is 1 meter. Okay, so this is radius of the outer circle. This is radius of the inner circle, small r. We need to find out area of the path. So area of the path, what is the formula, children? Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay, if you want to find area, you need the radius. Here inner radius is there, but outer radius you want to find. How do you find this outer radius? See here, this is inner, till this inner radius. This is inner radius and this is wide. If you add these two, you will get the outer radius. Okay. So, outer radius equal to inner radius plus width. So, inner radius 6 meter plus 1 meter, what you will get? 7 meter. So, capital R equal to 7 meter. Small r equal to 6 meter. Okay. So, now we are going to find area of the path. Area of the path equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of outer circle pi r square minus pi r square. So, pi is common. You can directly write this pi into r plus r minus r, because you know that r square minus r square equal to r plus r into r minus r. Directly you should write it. Area of the path equal to pi into r plus r minus r. That formula you directly write this. Okay. Now substitute the value. Here pi value 22 by 7. If it is not mentioned, so you can take it as 22 by 7 into, or here capital R 7, small r 6, then 7 minus 6. So what you will get, 22 by 7 into 7 plus 6, 13 into 7 minus 6, 1. 22 into 13 by 7. Now multiply this. 22 into 13. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. 6, 8, 2. 286 by 7. 7 1s are 7, 4 7s are 28, 6 we can't divide with the 0, keep the decimal. Now 60, in 60 how many 7s are there? 8 7s are 56, remaining 4 40, 5 7s are 35, remaining 5 50, 50 because already we kept the decimal. So 57 7s are 49. Okay, till that you can stop it because they asked only 2 decimals. Okay, so till 3 decimals we did. Okay, now 40 point, see here, look at the third decimal. See, the third decimal is greater than 5. 5 or above 5 means you should add 1 to the previous digit. Okay, so because they asked 2 decimal, till 3 decimal you do this, and look at the third decimal. Okay, that value is more than 5 or more than 5 means you should add 1 to the previous digit. Okay, suppose less than 5 means you leave it, just you take it as 8 5 alone. Suppose more than 5 or 5 means you can add 1 to the previous digit. Here 5 plus 1, what you will get, children? 6. Okay, so what is the answer? 40.86 meter square. So area of the path equal to area of the path equal to 40.86 meter square. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. See the next one. A circular photo frame has an outer radius 20 centimeter and inner radius 18 centimeter. Find the width of the frame around the photo. Okay. Also find the cost of painting. Cost of painting it with a metallic color at the rate of rupees 0.7 per centimeter square. Circular photo frame. Okay. So here what is given? Outer radius. This is center of the circle and this is outer radius. Outer radius is 20 centimeter and inner radius is 18 centimeter. We need to find out the width. This value we need to find out. Then we need to find out the cost of painting. Okay. So first find out the width of the frame. Width of the frame, photo frame equal to, how do you find this, children? Outer radius minus inner radius, you will get the width. Okay, outer radius minus inner radius. What is outer radius? 20 minus 18. What you will get? 2 centimeter. So, width of the photo frame equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, children. Next, we need to find out the cost of the painting. Where they are doing the painting? In this path. Here they are doing the painting work. It represents area of the path. So, we need to find out the area of the path. Okay, after that only we need to find the cost. How much area they are using we need to know. No. Okay, so first we need to find out area of the path. So, area of the path equal to what is the formula, children? Directly write the formula. Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So, pi into r plus r into r minus r. Okay. So, here pi value 22 by 7, outer radius 20 plus inner radius 18. Then 20 minus 18. 22 by 7 into 20 plus 18, what you will get? 38 into 2. Okay. Now you multiply this. 22 into 2 8s are 16, 6 remaining 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 76 by 7. So 76 into 22. 2 6 are 12, 2 remaining 1, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. 2 6 are 12, 2 remaining 1, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. So 2 7 6 1. 1672 by 7 centimeter square. This is area of the path. This path we are going to do the painting. Okay. So, cost of painting per centimeter square equal to rupees 0.7. So, cost of painting for 1672 by 7 centimeter square equal to 1672 by 7 into 0.7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. When we multiply by 1, we will get the same number only. Okay. Here 1 decimal is there, just you keep it. So 167.2. 2 means 20 paise. Okay. So rupees we are saying 167 rupees 20 paise. Okay. So this is the answer. Cost of painting for 1672 by 7 centimeter square equal to 167 rupees 20 paise. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. See the next one. A circular piece of wood with an area of 202 pi centimeter square has a smaller circle cut out from it. The area of the remaining piece is 121 pi centimeter square. Find the area of the smaller circle. Area of the smaller circle in terms of pi and the radius of the smaller circle. Here what is given? A circular piece of wood with an area. It represents area of the outer circle. So area of the outer circle is 202 pi centimeter square and area of the remaining piece is given. We need to find out the area of the smaller circle because the outer circle, okay, we are taking the small circles. They are cut out from the small circle from the outer, okay. See here, this is the outer circle. In this, we have the smaller circle. Okay, so what we are doing? One second. Okay, in the outer circle they are cutting out the smaller circle. They are taking out smaller circle from the outer circle. Okay, then area of the remaining piece. So this is the remaining piece. This is the remaining piece. This area is 121 pi centimeter square. And area of the outer circle is 202 pi centimeter. We need to find out the area of the inner, it means smaller circle. Okay. So, area of the remaining piece is equal to area of the remaining piece equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Inner means here smaller dimension, so you can take it as smaller. Smaller circle. So we need to find out area of the smaller circle. Okay. So area of smaller circle equal to area of outer or bigger circle. Okay. Outer circle minus, because this minus will change that side positive. Subtractions will change other side additions. Okay. Minus area of the remaining piece. Okay. So area of the outer circle, it means bigger circle. What is the area is given? 202. 202 pi centimeter square minus area of the remaining piece 121 pi centimeter square. Subtract this. 2 minus 1, 1. Here 0 minus 2 we can't do. So 10 minus 2, 8. Here 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So 81 pi centimeter square. This is area of the smaller circle. Area of smaller circle equal to 81 pi centimeter square. Next, we need to find out radius of the smaller circle. Okay, so radius of the smaller circle. Here, area of the smaller circle is given. What is the formula, children? That is pi r square equal to 81 pi. So, pi cancel. R square equal to 81. I want to find R. So, the square will change square root. So, how can you split this? 9 into 9. So, in this is square root. So, out of 2, we just take it 1. So, R equal to, radius of the smaller circle equal to 9 centimeter. Radius of the smaller circle equal to 9 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children.